Good day. So today we will be talking about the volume of solids of revolution by using the second method in which tinatawag natin siya as the washer method. So bakit nga ba siya tinatawag na washer method? Simply, it is called washer method kasi imagine we have a certain rectangle and we have a certain rectangle, this rectangle, and we are about to revolve this rectangle on a line that does not rest on that rectangle. Halimbawa, may rectangle tayo tapos nakahiwalay yung rectangle na yun sa line L. So we will revolve this rectangle about the line L. Ang mapo-form natin is not a circular disc, instead parang washer. So, di ba? Washer. Kaya siya tinawag na washer method kasi ang mafo-form natin looks like a washer. So may butas yan sa gitna. Butas yan sa gitna yung pinag-generate natin na volume. Okay. Okay. So now let's consider the graph of two functions. Say example, we have two functions and i-graph natin siya. So let's draw. Yan. An x and y axis. Yan. Let's draw x and y axis. Okay. So we consider two graphs. Okay. Yan yung isa. And the other one looks like this. So ito as g of x. And ito yung y as a function of x natin. So if we are about to revolve this at this part, so di ba walang tumama dun sa line of or sa axis of revolution natin. So from A until B. So walang tumama sa axis of revolution natin. So kung papansinin nyo, kung i-revolve natin to, ang magiging itsura niyan, parang magiging three-dimensional shape, itong shape natin, in which magkakaroon yan ng butas dito sa gitna. So magkakaroon ng butas sa gitna. If we make n equal subintervals dito, kung hatiin natin to, gaya ng ginawa natin sa dun sa naunang discussion, okay? So, gawa tayo ng n number of equal subintervals sa mga area na bounded. Ayan. In which ito na yung ginawa natin na differential strip. About this line, okay, sa line na to, this will sweep out a washer shape solid, gaya nito. Gagawa yan ng washer shape na solid, itong differential area natin dito, where the volume of the solid is the difference between the two circular disc. Okay? So, para yan na dalawang circular disc, imagine, kung i-consider lang natin itong nandito sa taas, yan. So, kung gagawa tayo ng isang differential strip dyan, so, di ba, makakagawa tayo ng isang circular disc. Na kung i-consider naman natin yung isa, dito, pag yan, yung isang graph, so, di ba, another circular disc ang mapo-form natin yan. And this washer, itong bilog na to, simply, ito lang naman yung volume ng malaking circular disc. Tapos, di ba, ito yung volume ng maliit na cylinder, yung nandun sa loob. So, para makuha natin yung volume nitong circular disc, circular washer, nitong washer na to, we will simply subtract yung volume nung large dun sa volume na maliit na circular disc. So, yun lang naman yung concept behind this washer method. Okay. So, ayan. Consider this integral. Gumawa tayo dito ng strip. Yan yung strip natin. Ito na yung strip natin. So, ito yung change in height natin with a radius. So, may radius yun. So, inikot natin siya at this certain line. Say, line H. Okay. So, pag inikot natin yan, dito, makaka-generate tayo ng washer. Dito ko na lang siya ilalagay. Makaka-generate tayo ng washer. Lakihan natin para mas makita. Yan. Ito yan. Pag inikot natin itong R na to. Kung papansinin nyo, ang maliit na yan, nandito yan. Yan. Magiging siyang butas. Magiging butas doon sa loob ng differential volume natin. Okay? So, in which ito yung ating, consider natin to as capital R for big circle, para dyan sa malaking circle na to. And itong maliit, ilalagay natin siya as small r. Small r lang yan. Okay. The volume of the larger solid can be denoted as, ito yung differential V2, yung washer natin. Yung malaking solid. Consider muna natin yung malaking solid. Alisin muna natin tong maliit. Okay. Alis natin tong maliit. Yan. Inalis natin yung maliit. Iniwan lang natin itong malaki. So, di ba? Differential V2 is equal to pi r squared dH. So, ito yung dH natin or yung thickness ng strip natin. Ayan. Ito yung malaki. And yung maliit nandito sa loob. Ayan, yan yung maliit. dV1 is equal to pi. Maliit na radius. Yan. R squared dH. Now, para makuha natin yung differential volume ng washer, simply, yung malaki, yung differential volume ng malaki, minusan natin ang differential volume ng maliit. Pi r squared dH minus pi r squared dH. Or simply to say, pwede nating i-factor out yung r squared minus r squared dH. So, ito yung differential volume nung washer natin. Now, integrating this both sides, integrate to. So, ang volume na pala nung solid generated natin, that is equal to pi, the integral of capital R squared minus R squared dH. Okay? So, tandaan natin dyan, yung limit from A to B. Wherein yung R is the radius to nung malaking circle. And yung R is yung para naman to sa radius of the smaller circle. And yung DH, siyempre, ito yung thickness nung strip natin. Yan lagi yung thickness nung strip. Can be DX or DY. Depende sa magiging strip natin. Okay? So, basta tandaan, ito yung general formula for the volume of solids of revolution by washer method. Okay, click on the next video for sample problem, how to use washer method, volume of solids of revolution by washer method.